Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can extract details or addresses of different points on a base map. For example, in this particular example I'll be having OpenStreet base map, and I have added 14 different points on this map. And if I want to extract the details like the place name, the district name, the state name, and the country name, and in addition the category and the type will be like whether the point falls on a hamlet, whether it falls on a village, or on a residential area. So you will get an idea about that, or you will get all those information. So what basically you have to do is that first of all you need to add the points to the OSM OpenStreet base map. Then I will show you how you can extract the location details using a plugin called MMQGIS. It's very simple. And finally we will save it in CSV format, and this is how it's going to be. Like once you're done with saving it, this is how it will appear. So let's close this, and I'm going to open QGIS now. Okay, this is it. So in order to start working, or in order to to begin with, you need to get a base map. So I prefer OSM base map because it's free, and in order to access that you have to go to plugins and go to manage and install plugins. And here you have to search, it's already there, I'll search it again, QMap services, this one, and you have to install it. I have already installed it, so I don't need to install it again, but in your case you have to press install, and once the installation is done you can just close it, and you will find that particular plugin here. You go to web and go to QMap services, and here you will find OSM OpenStreetMap, and here you have to choose OpenStreet standard. This is it. Now we have got the base map, right? And the second step is to add our point locations. So what are my point locations? So I'm having it here in CSV format, the location data. So in this CSV file, I'm having the point coordinates for 14 different locations. You can see starting from 1 to 14, and these points fall all across the country of India. And these are just for the demonstration, and these points aren't of any particular significance. Anyways, I'm going to add these points onto the map, and for that you have to go to layer, go to add layer, and there you will find add delimited text layer option. Click there, and in this window you have to select that particular CSV file by going to browse, and this is the location data. So the CSV file, this location data, I have uploaded it into my Google Drive, so you can download it using the link I have provided in the description of this video. Just get it. So I'm going to open it. So when I opened it, you can see we have a longitude column and a latitude column, right? So the X field is going to be longitude and the Y field is going to be latitude, and we are going to add points. And it's been already specified that our file is in CSV format. Done. You just click add and close, so that you will find all your points have been added onto the base map, and all these points fall within the country of India. So the next step is to extract the location details, and for that you need another plugin called MMQGIS. I'm already having it here, and if you're not having it, you have to go to plugins, go to manage and install plugins, and you have to repeat the same procedure that you did in the case of QMap services. So here you can search MMQGIS. It's already there, this one. You have to install it, and once the installation is complete you can simply close it, and you will find that particular plugin here on the toolbar. So you click there and you go to geocode, and here you will find an option called reverse geocode. So we are going to reverse geocode, which means we are providing the location coordinates, the point coordinates, and based on that particular point the algorithm will extract the details or the address of those points like place, district, type, category and all. You simply have to select and you have to specify the input layer name. So our input layer is going to be the CSV file. We just added these points and we know its name is location data. And the web service, there is Google Map and OpenStreetMap. Google Map isn't free, so I don't want to use it. So, but OpenStreetMap is free and you have to select that. And then you don't need to make any other changes, and here you have to specify the output file name and the location where you want to save it. So I'm going to choose browse. I'm going to my desktop, or okay, I'm going to this folder, and here the file name is going to be let's save it as location data. Okay, location data new. So when you save it now, it won't be in CSV format. It will be in a it will be either you can see in different spatial data format like shapefile, .geogis, .kml format or geopackage. So now you have to for the time being save it as in any of these formats. So I'm going to choose GeoJSON and simply save it. And what you have to do is that you have to click apply. So we have 14 features, 14 points. So if you click apply, the algorithm will start running and it will start extracting the details or addresses of all those 14 points one by one. And this is going to take a while. Let's wait. Done. We have successfully completed the reverse geocoding process, and I'm going to close it now. And if you want to see the file, it's here. It's in location data GeoJSON format, and it got re-imported back to the my QGIS. You can see it here. This is the same file. So when the processing got done, it got imported back to QGIS, this file. And okay, so this is our GeoJSON file, the reverse geocoded spatial data. So if I right click and go to attribute table, you can see the 14 locations and the corresponding details. In the display name column, you can see the place, the district, the state, even the pin code, you can find it there, and the category, the type, the longitude and latitude, you can see it here, and the OSM ID as well. So how can we save it as save it in CSV format? So we can use it for some other purposes. So it's simple. I'm going to close it now. So this is the layer, GeoJSON layer, and you again have to go to MMQGIS. And here you will find an option called import or export. So here we are going to export the attribute table to a CSV file. So when you right click, you are actually opening the attribute table here. See, this is what we call the attribute table. So I'm going back to MMQGIS. I'm going to export the attributes to CSV file. Just click there. And the input layer is our location data the new GeoJSON file. And the attributes, you have to select it from here. So I'm going to choose the location, the longitude, the latitude, the OSM ID, the display name, the category. You can plus control and select one after the other. Type and lat long, I don't want to repeat because I'm already having it there. And the next thing to do is that you have to specify the destination. So I'm going to choose the same folder, and this is going to be location data in CSV format. You don't have to put this underscore. I just put it because it's the convention in data science. Anyways, so I have specified the file name and it's going to be saved as in .csv format. So I'm just going to click save, and you have to click apply. and wait a few seconds. I think it's done. So if I go to the same folder, okay, we have got it here, location data in CSV format. So if I open it, see, we have converted the attribute table into a CSV file successfully. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back with another tutorial.